Ford's sync system, especially Sync 4, can sometimes glitch. A soft reboot, holding the power button for 3 to 5 seconds, fixes minor issues like audio problems or freezes without data loss. For unresponsive systems, a hard reboot is more effective. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black. If your touchscreen is completely unresponsive, attempt a hard reboot before seeking professional diagnostics. If you are using Sync 4 and still having trouble, check the Ford Pass app on your phone for remote reset options. These resets are safe, quick, and address the majority of common software glitches. If basic reboots fail, a factory reset is the next step. For Sync 3 and earlier, go to Settings, General, Master Reset. For Sync 4, navigate to Settings, General, Reset, Restore Factory Settings. Note that this will erase all personal data and settings. It's a good solution for persistent problems, but requires you to reconfigure everything. Always back up important settings via the Ford Pass app beforehand if possible. Remember, for hardware malfunctions or physical damage, professional diagnostics from Ford are essential to avoid warranty issues. Also, confirm the system is Sync 4 and update to version 8.0 or higher.